Around 8% of children and 5% of adults have some kind of food allergy. The 8 most common food allergies. Food allergies are extremely common. In fact, they affect around 5% of adults and 8% of children, and these percentages are rising. Interestingly, although it's possible for any food to cause an allergy, most food allergies are caused by just 8 foods: cow's milk, eggs, tree nuts, peanuts, shellfish, wheat, soy, and fish. However, there are many more. Some less common food allergies include linseed, sesame seed, peach, banana, avocado, kiwi fruit, passion fruit, celery, garlic, mustard seeds, aniseed, and chamomile. Summary: any food can cause an allergy. If you suspect you have a food allergy, speak with your doctor. They will diagnose the condition through a number of tests. Thanks for watching.